स्वागत है आप सभी का द कॉमर्स बड़ी चैनल में। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज अपन फिर से इंटर्नशिप और जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी देखने वाले गाइस। और आज मैं आपको अमेजिंग 3 जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी बताने वाला हूं, जो कि अगेन बिग 4 कंपनीज की तरफ से आई है गाइस। और जो कि पहली है गाइस डेलॉइट है, अमेजॉन है और उबर वगैरह है गाइस। तो जिनको भी गाइस अप्लाई करना, तो आप वीडियो को आखिरी तक देखना कैसे क्या अप्लाई करना। और बेसिकली सभी लोगों के लिए है, मतलब आप किसी भी डोमेन में हो, आप इंजीनियरिंग के हो या कॉमर्स के हो या कोई भी फील्ड के हो गाइस, आप यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर सकते हो। बहुत ही अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी गाइस। अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कर देना, बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर देना, जिससे कोई भी अपडेट आपका मिस नहीं हुआ। प्लस अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी शेयर कर देना। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन। So friends, you can see that I am in a Deloitte page. Here you will be seeing the first job opportunity will be there, like GTLO, which means customer support analyst. So customer support analyst from big 4 company, which is Deloitte, and the location will be Hyderabad, Telangana. You can see the if you don't know about the Deloitte, you can see the description. There will be written or what all things they are requiring for. Everything is mentioned here. You can see that what you will be doing. So you can see the customer handling skills, end-to-end ticket management, basic ITIL concepts of incident, problem and change management, experience as managing and non-voice support, performance as per on metrics, client value add, prioritization of issues, VIP support and calculating business impact, processing income service request, managing multiple support mailboxes, report and record, communicate, troubleshoot, provision user accounts for external client users. So यहाँ पे basically you can see that guys, there is completely a customer support job. Everyone can apply here. No matters like whether you are an engineer, whether you are a commerce graduate, whether you are any other field graduate, you can apply here. You can see there are 3 shifts basically: morning 5:30 to afternoon 2:30, then afternoon 2 to night 11, and after that night 9 to morning 6. So whether in whichever you feel that I am comfortable, you can work in that time slot, right? You can see here it is written any graduate can apply. मतलब कोई भी apply कर सकता है guys. यहाँ पे आपको 0 to 1 year का experience है. If you have any experience, then also you can apply. If you don't have any experience, then also you can apply. Here you can see excellent customer service, excellent spoken English, proficient with MS Office, exposure to application support, ITIL framework, excellent written and verbal skills, customer service experience, you can see, and comfortable to work in 24/7 environment. So you can see there are basic the introduction of Deloitte, benefits, culture, citizenship, recruiting tips, benefits, all are there. So you can read that, and if you are comfortable, like you are interested for that, तो डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे गाइस आपको दिख रहा होगा अप्लाई नाउ का। अप्लाई नाउ पे आपको क्लिक कर देना है। यहाँ पे गाइस आपको दिखेगा आर यू ऑलरेडी रजिस्टर्ड। इफ यू हैव ऑलरेडी रजिस्टर्ड, देन यू कैन डायरेक्टली मेंशन योर मेल आईडी एंड पासवर्ड. इफ यू आर नॉट रजिस्टर्ड, देन क्रिएट योर प्रोफाइल. After creating your profile, you will be going to this page. Here you will be getting select your resume, then personal information, after that job specific questions, then you have additional information, and finally review and submit. So this is a basic step guys. ये already मैंने पुराने वीडियो में बताया है, तो अगर आपने नहीं देखा है गाइस Deloitte का, तो आप देख सकते हो. I will mention that playlist at the end of my video, so you can see that playlist also. ठीक है, तो ये हमारी थी फर्स्ट. अब सेकंड जॉब अपडेट की बात कर लेते गाइस, जो कि Amazon की तरफ से आया है. Amazon is hiring software development engineer, where you can see the location will be Bangalore. And Bangalore, the description will be engineering software development. You can see the description about Amazon, how Amazon works, and there will be basic qualifications. You can see that the candidate should be bachelor in computer science engineering or any related field. Then excellent problem skills should be there. The candidate can easily solve the algorithms, data structure, object oriented design and databases. Afterwards, like quality codes, he needs to find the bugs in Linux environment, and candidate must have good written and oral communication. Then only you can apply in Amazon guys. Okay, so you can see there are preferred qualifications also they have mentioned. You can see basic computer science engineering, their object oriented design language, different languages. If you know, you can directly apply. So here's the apply button on the right hand side. So you can just click on that. After clicking on the red, afterwards you will be getting this page interface. Continue with your Amazon account. So you need to log in with your Amazon account. If you don't have any Amazon account, you can simply put your here email ID and then continue. If you don't have an Amazon account, any updates, so create one. You can create one also. Just you need to mention all the details, basic details, your email ID, your mobile number, and create one password. After completing the process, you can apply डायरेक्टली इन द सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट इंजीनियर। ठीक है, अब लास्ट इंटर्नशिप की बात कर लेते गाइस, जो कि आईबीएम की तरफ से आया है, आईबीएम इंटर्नशिप, जो कि बेसिकली प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट ऑफिसर की है। यहाँ पे यू कैन सी द डिटेल्स ऑफ द आईबीएम, व्हाट ऑल आईबीएम इज लोकेटिंग, एंड दे आर मल्टीपल सिटीज, दे आर हायरिंग इन मल्टीपल सिटीज। बेसिक एंट्री लेवल है, मतलब फ्रेशर्स भी हो गई तो भी आप यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर सकते हो। यहाँ पे यू कैन सी द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, ऑन बोर्डिंग एंड ऑफ बोर्डिंग एक्टिविटीज which will be assisting the team with document creation and signing, review, storage, requesting access and reporting. Then you have project documentation creation throughout their life cycle. I adapt to new projects requirement, then project management and sales representative. Afterwards you will be getting assisting team managers and offers. So you can see students in final year or fresh graduate. Those students जो अभी इस साल ग्रेजुएट हो रहे हैं या हो चुके हैं, वो लोग यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली अप्लाई कर सकते हैं गाइस। previously experience from a similar project management position useful and valued. So those candidates who have already been experienced in a project management, they can also apply and the chances are high of getting selected. You can see very good communication skills, proactive, energetic and open-minded. Microsoft Office knowledge must be mandatory. You can read about the IBM as well. So here is a basic, you can see the apply now button. Just click on that. After clicking on the IBM, the page will load. You can see resume, first name, last name. If you want to get updates from IBM in future also, then fill this form. Otherwise you can continue no thanks, continue to apply. After clicking on no thanks, continue to apply, you will directly go to the IBM internship project management officer. You can see everything, it's given properly. Just you need to apply to job. Here you will be getting sign in with LinkedIn, Facebook or Twitter, or otherwise you can put your email ID and password if you are an existing user. But if you don't have an account in IBM, just create one. Don't have an account yet, so you can see the IBM policies, ethics and policies. Just read that and you can directly accept all and you can directly apply to your login credentials with IMA. So basic steps were there guys. आपको किसी में भी डाउट है तो आप मेरे को कमेंट बॉक्स में मैसेज कर सकते हो और अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर कर देना गाइस, और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना गाइस, क्योंकि इससे मेरे को ही मोटिवेशन मिलता है, मैं और ज्यादा वीडियोस आप लोग के बनाते रहूं। तो मिलते हैं गाइस अपन नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, जब तक के लिए गुड बाय, बाय बाय।